For this month's Teen April Creative Arts Club, we have an exciting Blackout poetry contest. First, pick up your kit at the teen department. Second, I will show you how to create your own example. You will need a ripped out piece of paper from a book and a black Sharpie. You may also want a pen or pencil for mapping out your poem, so let's get started. I like to plan ahead. See what words stand out on the page. You can always underline or dot the words you like, so you know what not to black out. Once planned, I am going to take my Sharpie and black out everything else on the page. When done, I see my poem. Noble heart, rebellious spirit met with contempt. The ache, the sense of failure, the lost pieces of the past. Rise, power, destruction, a veil removed. Identity is an enemy of the king. Now it's your turn. Create your own Blackout poetry and send us a poem or two to pvplteens@gmail.com, and we will choose the best poem and announce the winner on April 30th. Supplies available all month. You can send us your poems until April 28th. We can't wait to see your work.